Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why humans have long scalp hair while most mammals don't? Well, a groundbreaking study suggests that our long hair wasn't just a random trait. It was a survival tool against the scorching heat. But that's not all. Scientists have also uncovered a dormant molecular switch that could revolutionize hair loss treatments. Could we be on the verge of a cure for baldness? Let's dive in. Welcome to Trend Storm. Chapter 1. The Evolutionary Mystery of Long Hair. So, why do humans have long scalp hair in the first place? Unlike other body hair, our scalp hair can grow continuously for years. Scientists now believe this trait originally evolved as a natural cooling system for our ancestors in equatorial Africa. Imagine early humans walking under the intense sun. Long, tightly curled hair provided shade while reducing the need for excessive sweating, preventing dehydration. In short, hair was a survival tool. But over time, this once purely functional feature took on new meanings. Hair started signaling age, health, and social status, influencing human interactions and even shaping cultures worldwide. From warriors displaying strength with long locks to modern hairstyles symbolizing identity, our hair tells a story that goes way beyond biology. Chapter 2. The Secret Molecular Switch. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Scientists from Penn State, UC Irvine, and National Taiwan University have discovered that the ability to grow long scalp hair has always been there, but in a dormant state. A simple tweak in our genetic programming turned it on when we started walking upright. Think about it. Male lions, orangutans, and even woolly mammoths had long hair for different reasons. But instead of evolving an entirely new mechanism, researchers believe early humans simply reactivated an ancient molecular program that was already hidden in our DNA. And here's the game changer. If we can figure out how to switch it on for hair growth, could this be the key to curing hair loss? Chapter 3. A New Era for Hair Loss Treatments? Hair loss affects millions of people worldwide, and existing treatments often fall short. But if scientists can pinpoint the exact molecular switch that controls long hair growth, we could be looking at a breakthrough in regenerative medicine. Imagine a future where baldness is completely reversible, where activating this dormant hair growth program restores hair effortlessly. No more expensive transplants or ineffective treatments. Just a simple, natural way to regrow healthy, strong hair. Chapter 4. What this means for the future. This discovery is about more than just vanity. It's about understanding the very fabric of human evolution. Our hair isn't just a fashion statement. It's a biological superpower that has helped us survive, adapt, and evolve. And now, with modern science unlocking its secrets, who knows what the future holds? Source: Penn State. So, what do you think? Could this research lead to the ultimate cure for hair loss? And do you believe our hair's evolutionary past still plays a role in our lives today? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. If you love exploring the hidden science behind everyday mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more breakthroughs in science and tech, and until next time, keep storming those trends.